In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best glue guns available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the glue guns list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the glue guns mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. SEESII Cordless Caulking Gun. The SEESII electric caulking gun is a cordless, battery-powered adhesive applicator designed for sealing cement, glass, and other surfaces with precision. Its wireless design makes it perfect for both home DIY projects and professional jobs, offering flexibility without the hassle of cords. With CE certification for safety, it ensures reliable performance whether you're sealing windows, applying glass glue, or filling gaps. The ergonomic grip and steady dispensing speed help reduce fatigue during extended use, while the build quality ensures long-term durability. Number 4. MELLIF Dewalt-Compatible Glue Gun. The MELLIF cordless hot glue gun is fully compatible with DeWalt 18V and 20V batteries, giving you powerful glue application without being tethered to a wall outlet. Designed for full-size glue sticks, it's ideal for crafts, repairs, and DIY construction tasks. The copper nozzle ensures fast, even heat transfer for smooth adhesive flow, while the ergonomic handle makes extended use comfortable. Built for convenience, this CE-certified tool delivers precision gluing and is a great choice for DeWalt battery owners. Number 3. Sackful 150W Adjustable Glue Gun. The Sackful 150W Hot Melt Glue Gun offers professional-grade performance with adjustable temperature control, making it suitable for home DIY, industrial manufacturing, and repair tasks. Its pure copper nozzle ensures precise glue application and excellent heat retention. Designed for 11mm glue sticks, it works on a wide range of materials including wood, plastic, fabric, and metal. The AC power source ensures consistent heating, while the ergonomic grip provides comfort during long sessions. CE certified for safety and built for durability. Number 2. MELLIF Makita-Compatible 100W Glue Gun. The MELLIF 100W cordless hot glue gun is designed for Makita 18V LXT batteries, offering cordless convenience and full-size glue stick compatibility. With a copper nozzle for optimal heat conduction, it preheats quickly for fast project starts. Ideal for crafts, repairs, and home improvement, it features a comfortable grip and a steady glue flow for precision work. The rugged design ensures long-lasting performance, while CE certification confirms its safety. Perfect for Makita battery users looking for a reliable, portable glue gun. Number 1. RexLeLXB Milwaukee-Compatible Glue Gun. The RexLeLXB 50W cordless hot glue gun is tailored for Milwaukee 18V batteries and comes with 30 pieces of 7mm glue sticks. With a rapid 30-second preheat time, it's perfect for arts, crafts, and DIY projects. Its compact size and lightweight build make it easy to handle, while the battery-powered design provides complete mobility. CE and FCC certified, it offers safe and consistent glue application. The comfortable grip and precise nozzle ensure clean results, making it an excellent tool for hobbyists and professionals alike.